As you can see, I've made $1.90 by watching this video. And if you want to earn more money by watching videos, then all you need to do is just click in on this play button. Watch the video and collect your rewards. Then you can go to the next video, and after watching it, you can collect your reward. Then you can go to the next video and then the next one and so on. After you have enough points, just cash out and you will get paid. Simple as that. So, this is a great way of making money because I'm sure that most of you love watching videos. And the fact that you're watching this video right now speaks to itself. I'm one of those people who spend lots of time on YouTube watching random videos, and sometimes I feel really guilty, for wasting my time. Because at the end of the day, I could be making more productive things than watching dog or cat videos. But not anymore because with the website that I'm going to share with you, you can actually earn money just by watching videos. And I think it is a win-win situation because you're having fun and you're making money at the same time. Life is good, isn't it? And the best part is that it doesn't matter where you are. You can be in the kitchen, you can lie on your bed, you can be out with your friends, you can be traveling in both bedroom, nature, anywhere in the world. No office, no boss, no time limitations, no upfront investment. Start whenever you want and wherever you want. All you need is your phone and internet connection, and I'm sure you have it if you're watching this video. And before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button because when this video reaches 1000 likes, I'm going to make a really big giveaway. With that being said, let's just dive in, but first, intro. So guys, you will get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Completing surveys is not something that I would recommend because most of the time they are extremely boring and they take lots of time. But it doesn't matter because you are here to make money by watching videos, and believe it or not, this website is willing to pay you up to $3 per video that you watch. Yes, it is like a dream that comes true. And of course, you don't necessarily have to stay in front of your phone or laptop and actually watch those videos. You can literally let them play there while you're doing your own thing. You will get paid. And I know some of you guys are wondering why the hell this website would pay me for watching videos. Like, I can't believe that it is for real. Why they are giving so much money? Well, actually, they're making a lot more money on the back end since they're splitting the ad revenue with you. Companies pay them to show you ads, they show you ads, you watch those ads, and then you split that ad revenue with them. It's simple as that. Now, of course, it is not important to you. You're here to watch the video, collect the profits, and leave. And before we continue and before I show you the app and how to use it, just make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what are you going to do with the money that you're going to earn. Of course, if it is not something really personal. For example, I love traveling. It is like my passion. It doesn't matter where I'm going. I love meeting new people and different cultures. It gives me more perspective and it is widening my vision. Tap your passion down below. Anyways, watching videos and completing surveys are not the only ways for making money by using this website. They also have a really great and unique referral program. They will pay you $1 for every new friend that you invite to this app. Yes, $3 for every friend. So if you have some friends and family that you think will benefit from this and they would like to earn some extra money as well, then just send them your referral link and you have a good chance of making a decent amount of money. Or if you don't want to bother your friends and family, or you just don't like them and you don't want to share this website with them for any reason, then you can share your link in some of the Facebook groups for making money online and explain people kindly what kind of benefits they can get by using the website. There are thousands of people who want to make some extra cash, and I'm sure that they will be absolutely interested and you're offering them something for free. It's a great deal. A lot of them might sign up, and as you can see, those groups have thousands of people who are actually active. You can see how many members this group has, and imagine if 10,000 people just sign up for free. It will make you $10,000 without doing anything, which is absolutely great. And I won't post my referral link in the description because I'm here just to help and show you different ways of making money online. All I'm asking for is a like that you can give in 2 seconds, and you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. So don't worry, you don't need to wait for weeks in order to cash out and get your money. In fact, you just need to reach $10 and you can cash out anytime. There are some different options for getting paid. You can use your bank account, or you can get paid through PayPal, or you can choose some gift cards, and you can even use the money for donation. It all depends on you. But I guess that most of you will choose PayPal because we all want to know where our money goes and we want to decide what to do with it. It is a pretty new app. You can see that they paid more than $1 million to their members in total, which is quite a lot considering the fact that signing up to this app is absolutely free and takes less than a minute. And by the way, you can use your smartphone or this version. I'm using my laptop because this is easier for me to explain to you what's going on and how you can use the app. You can install the app on your phone, or you can directly sign up to the platform through the website. All you have to do is just come to the website and click on this button right here and fill in some basic information, and you are done. Keep watching, guys, because I'm going to share with you another website that will let you make you money online, and I'm gonna share with you the name of the website in a few seconds. So the name of the website is addwallet.com, but you know that this website won't give you videos all the time, and it is available only in top tier countries like USA, UK, Australia, etc. And if you're not from one of those countries, you can definitely check this website here. It is available worldwide, and you can see that actually it is seen on Yahoo, CNN, the Wall Street Journal, etc. You will be watching some really funny videos here. All you have to do is just click on get started, and then you need to fill in your first and last name, password, your email, and you are done. Or you just can sign up with your Facebook. Then you will get paid for playing games, watching videos, reading emails, or more. There is no shorter way of making at least $10 up to $30 a day if you combine both of these websites. Guys, I truly believe that it's a great way of making money, but as you can see, it is not that something that you can make a living with. Personally, I believe that starting an online business would be much more profitable, and especially YouTube can be the best platform to do it. So that's why if you're interested in starting your own channel and getting your first 1,000 subscribers in less than 2 months, you should definitely check this video right here. So guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you. Have a nice day.